Hi, I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm the host of Best of Us Investors. We've got a website where you can sign up, and I'll send you a morning letter to tell you what I'm thinking about and where I'm going in the market. I'm a retired financial advisor. I built one of the largest financial planning firms within the Ameriprise system. Out of the 10,000 advisors, I was consistently ranked in the last 5 years of my career between number one and number three. Retired in 2005, and as I'll explain a little bit later, got back into the financial world about 2011. I did a video last week in which I said that I was confident that I was going to give a gain on my investment, a return on investment of 33% in 2021. And I'm still confident of that. And I'll do it basically with a few stocks, 7 stocks, Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Tesla, and probably Square. And I'll get my 33%. In 19, I was able to get about that 33%. In 20, it looks like it's going to end up closer to 50%. But now I'm going to get a little more aggressive. I got 50% of my portfolio sitting in cash, and I have recognized that we are about to see an explosion in the stock market. And it's going to go in both directions. Part of the stock market is going to collapse as the zombie companies can't hold up what they've been doing, but then there are other companies that are going to explode in the upward direction. In investing, I have learned over my life that things are initiated by change. As some major technological or industrial change comes upon the world adopts that change, and we see a surge in the stock market. The first one that I literally totally experienced was the dot-com change, where over a period of probably 5 years, every company acquired a URL that ended in a .com, and the industry exploded. And you saw some stocks like Qualcomm that gained 2,600% in a very short period of time. We saw this same sort of thing with the adoption of the cell phone or the smartphone. And you saw e-commerce companies like Amazon just explode and maintain that explosion but it was change. We moved away from the bookstore to the e-commerce. We moved away from the library to Google. We made a change. As a result of the coronavirus, technology got pushed on a back burner over the last 8 months. And we will get off that back burner, technology will, as we move into 2021 and we come to a cure for the coronavirus. But as a result of that virus, there will be an enormous change in the way you and I live. Not only from the point of view that we have our groceries delivered now, we do Zoom meetings, we do all kinds of different activities that we didn't do. That change is going to be astronomical. And we are going to see some companies that I have not even had on my screen until just recently, as I was connecting the dots that said, this change is coming. And you need to expand upon the 7 stocks that you have, because they'll get you your 33%. But Kerry, there's an opportunity for a 500% growth, 1,000% growth in 2021. And you merely need to identify those stocks that are going to benefit and be driven by this change, and you can participate in it. You can make a $5,000 investment that turns into a $250,000 investment or more. This change is coming, and I want to be a part of it, and I want to share it with you. But I have another passion. I have something else that's really important to you. I told you I became I quit financial advising in 2005, and I got back into this at the end of at the start of 2019. My daughter died of cancer in 2014. My mother died of cancer in 1953. My father died of cancer. Cancer kills 1,632 people a day in the United States. We just surpassed that with the coronavirus. And the world is all over the coronavirus, but you didn't know that number. You didn't know that 1,632 people die every day in cancer. You didn't know that because I haven't screamed it loud enough to you. But I'm going to. And I'm going to share my knowledge of what's going to happen in 2021 to the members of this channel. And I'm going to ask you in return to help me cure cancer. I'll give you this information if you'll help me cure cancer. That's the deal. How are you going to help me cure cancer? You're going to become a member of my channel. Right under this video, there's a little box that says join. I'm going to ask you to join, and I'm going to charge you $3.99 a month to share with you what I know, how I'm going to pick the stocks that are going to give me a 500% to 1,000% gain in 2021. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do a live stream every Sunday evening, afternoon at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I will get on that live stream and I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing to get my 500 to 1,000% gain in 2021. I'm not going to talk about it anyplace else because I want something for my knowledge. I want a cure for cancer. I'm going to take your $3.99 a month and I'm going to put it into a charitable foundation, and then Nita and I are going to go find the people who are going to find a cure for cancer, and we're going to give them every bit of the profit we make off of this because it's important to me. I want to leave this behind. That Carrie and Nita, in the name of their daughter, Shay, helped find a cure for cancer. And I want something for it. I want $3.99 of your money for my knowledge. Is that a deal?